Hi, all my brother and sister in Christ. Okay, this time, I would like to show you another high rapture alert related with United States. Okay, keep in mind, time is ticking. Okay, like it says in Romans 13, verse 12, the night is far spent, the day is at hand. Let us, therefore, cast off the works of darkness, and let us put on the armor of light. This is not the hour to be playing in, okay? I explained you already in my last video several rapture dreams and vision related what's going on in the sky or second heaven. Whatever God show us in the moon, in the sun, and in the stars. The big thing related with the specific or very significant, what happening in the United States with the sign in the second heaven. I will show you. Okay. First of all, what happening with this rule? I'll show you here. Okay, the overturning Roe versus Wade, talking about the abortion laws, whatever United States have already, usually illegal, but this overturning to make illegal. I don't think all the entire state. I think the states who against this abortion or they ban the abortion, 13 states. I do not explain the detail, whatever that rules, because these 13 states, they don't have the same rules or laws about that, even though they ban the abortions so far, because started on June 24th. Keep in mind, like I told you already in my video last time, the June 24th is what God showed us in the sky or second heaven. In the stars is about planetary alignments. Altogether 7 planets. Show you here. It is about this also. 7 planets: Mercury, Venus, Uranus, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn, including the moon. I will show you by the end of this video. The prophetic dream, partly this guy. You can Google it yourself in the YouTube, the full version for this video, to prove you this rapture season very close, could be happen this year. In my last video, some people, not just in the YouTube, I post my videos in the Brighton and BitChute. A lot of people don't agree. They don't believe in believing in end times, no raptures. That's why I decided to disable the comments. Last time I tested, I let the comment, people commented. After that, just too much, it's not a good comment. If other people was just watch that video, learn it, to make them become doubt about that. Even though, I told to the person who don't believe this rapture or we are living in end times with biblical evidence, they just keep coming. It's not good, So it's better no comment there. Sometimes I like people comment in the video because we can learn each other. But not in my video for now. Alright, I hope you understand about that. So this about Roe and versus Wade. That's why I show you this picture. What happening in United States? The landmark decision of the U.S. Supreme Court, in which the court ruled that the Constitution of the United States generally protects a pregnant woman's liberty to choose to have an abortion. But now, I think only 13 states, they're turning around. The pregnant woman don't have a choice to have the abortion. This is what I understand. But 13 states, when I explained you already, they don't have the same rules. Instead, they have their own rules, even though they ban it. I know one in Missouri ban it, yeah, so far. So, yeah, we got to pay attention. All right? This is what I posted. Okay, let me show you, yeah, what's all about with the rapture time frames. Okay, I like to explain you. All right, here we go. The government, I'm calling it weekend government, yeah, with Satanist globalists. We cannot trust what they're up to. Okay, the wicked government, yeah, will use this overturning Roe and Wade, yeah, Roe versus Wade, yeah, and for this abortion law, it could create, yeah, the false flag or riot, chaos, yeah. What I heard, yeah, I don't know if this is true or not. Okay, their protests will be happen in these cities, yeah, in the states. I show you this one, yeah. All right, similar in Washington, Oregon, California, I think Los Angeles, yeah, Nevada, Colorado, Texas. Texas have 2 cities there, yeah. Chicago, Chicago, the name of the city. Illinois, yeah, Chicago in Illinois. And I think Mississippi or Minneapolis, it says, yeah. Yeah, and the other one, New York City, and New York, of course, Philadelphia, all right, in the Pennsylvania, yeah, Lexington, Virginia, and Massachusetts, all right, they protest there. So, what's all about this? Going on, this thing. All right, this just happened, yeah, the same time with these 7 planet alignments. This is the sun in the sky, what's going on in the United States. All right. So, what happened is to trap the people, to trick the people. Okay, from wicked government, with Satanist globalists want to organize this chaos. Okay, and could be also from the chaos could create false flags, and then from that can cause people more American use the guns, could be, and they can make an accuse to disarm Americans or to take away the guns right or the Second Amendments. This is what I see, yeah. And also other than this false flag, yeah, Satanist globalists want to organize roots, and also Joe Biden will declare martial laws, the accused like that, yeah, and using these hybrid soldiers, in the future, wicked government can use that, you know what I mean? And also, yeah, other than take away the Americans' guns right or disarms Americans, yeah. And also, after that, because the chaos, disaster like that, I think what happened, yeah, could be continued until, this is, we have to wait and see. We have to see in July. And also there are dreams and vision, yeah, mention about something happened on 4th of July. Kind of like false flag or bomb explosion. But that already many years ago, the dreams and vision. And could be happen this year. We have to wait and see. If happened this year on 4th of July, right on American or U.S. Independence Day, all right? You got to pay attention and what will happen in the 4th of July, because could be something very significant around that time. After that, continue on worse, yeah, in America could be happen like a civil war because of this disagreement between the states, the one who legalize this abortion, and the state who not legalize abortion. All right, just kind of like all time, during that civil war, during that Abraham Lincoln time and the presidency, because they against each other, because several states, I'm not sure how many states, I do not do the research yet, the one who legalize the slaves, and the other several states who don't agree with that slaveness, the the laws for the slave. So okay, the several states who legalize the slave, and the other states who not legalize the slaves. People still have to can use the slaves for these black Americans at that time. There are dreams and vision mentioned about the civil war, or not mentioned clear about that. And now the race war between the white, Caucasian, and the black. This is what I heard. I thought this civil war come about because this, the race war. The race war itself not just come by itself. Be created by Satanist globalists too, with their people. I thought like that they create more, false flag, and people they hire and to protest and make riot stuff like that against each other. This is, I thought like that. But after happened with this Roe and Wade versus Wade, what you call it, overturning. So not in the case anymore, not about this race war. It's about this abortion laws. Okay, different laws in the United States, in this among these 50 states in the United States, that could create civil war. Because the part of this also, it happened, there's a lot of false flags before the civil war erupted. Erupt someday, that can wicked government can make an excuse to take away Americans' guns right. So also in the future, because of that, the civil war could happen, and then can they make a lot of people disagree, actually, during this I think could be by November, or maybe a little earlier before that, in October. I think more November. All right, November. And also in November there are another sign in the sky. I explained you already in my first video before, and the last my video in the YouTube. There another super blood moon in November. I think from November 7 to November 8. The first one last month, for this year only, 2022. On May 14 and May 15, something like it, or May 15 to 16, something like it, around that time. So the second one, November 7 to November 8. In fact, November 8 itself, is about, the midterm election, November 8 in United States. I think something happened during that time there, right around that midterm, because that what happened is between Wade and Rose, Wade and Rose, first Rose, this about this overturning abortion, just right on these planetary alignments. Okay, the date the same, June 24, just yesterday while I'm making this video. But another super blood moon, November 7th to November 8th, just right on midterm election in the United States. I think something happened then. If this riot going on and protests and more false flags from this, they set up from deep states or big government, stuff like that, that can could be civil war, could be, or after that, either and before or after that. The reason why this chaos kind of like coups, yeah. Maybe they want to overthrow the government. This overthrow government, okay, in United States, not because from American people themselves. I think American people just kind of most of the time they just kind of lazy, just like watch TV, they have a lot of things they do business with their family and do their job every day. They think the time is they think this normal and we'll be back to normal after this man-made pestilence. I'm talking about not come back to normal. This is about new world order agenda with the great global reset. They will not back down. Okay, this will continue. This is also part of that. This is the trap from them about these abortion laws changing around like that. All right, they want to create more false flag with the accused like that to deceive people and more chaos in the near future, to take away Americans' guns, right? And finally, also they want to make another false flag. People want to overthrow governments, could be from their trap, the wicked government with the satanist globalists do that, who knows. And then people protest, want Joe Biden to step down, and then Trump will be on the scene, be back in the office, or I don't think he's the president at that time. Maybe something temporary to replace Joe Biden. Could be that happen because that coups in the United States. Okay, this is what I see, because according to many end times and dreams and vision mention about that. And then Trump will be on the scene or in the office for short time. Either one start in October or November this year, and then until the Christmas season this year. Because also one dreams and vision mention about that Donald Trump will get killed or assassinated during Christmas season. So what I heard, from my understanding, I interpret correct. If I interpret correctly, I think I'm correct. Yeah. From many end times and dreams vision, I told you already that rapture will take place during Christmas season and Hanukkah festival. And when Trump get assassinated during that Christmas season, this can trigger the rapture of the church. Okay, from Trump was assassinated. And then the rapture of the church take place. Alright, if you understand what I mean. So from this going on, not because the race war, because these abortion laws change overturning, okay, change around, and there is agreement between all these states about these laws. Yeah, some states agree with abortion, the other states not agree. This is okay. I explain you already, and then can happen with Trump. Trump already mentioned about Operation Warp Speed. He is going to deliver this magic potion or venom bite or picket prune juice to mandate it to American using this Operation Warp Speed. Okay, Trump deceived the people. Do not trust Trump. All right, even though he back in the office, there are many Trump supporters do not trust him anymore because of this magic potion. But the other Trump supporters who think he's look like their savior, they keep expecting this American who support Trump. Of course, not everybody Trump supporter like them. Some of them, they're expecting Trump will save them. This is wrong, okay? Even the Bible itself mention, do not trust men. It doesn't matter, they have the high position. World leader, presidents, king, prince, queen, stuff like that, do not trust them. Must trust God himself. Because I think Jeremiah 17 verse 5, okay, curse to those who trust man over or more than God himself. All right? I think this is what I explained earlier. Step by step, why from these abortion laws overturnings, and then riot, protests, Joe Biden have to step down, Trump may be back on the scene, and then they kill Trump, and then can trigger the rapture of the church. This is very close. This is what I see. I do not see anybody interpret from these dreams and vision like I do. That's why I'm making this video for you. It doesn't matter you believe in or not. This is what I see. All right, and I'd like to show you. Yeah. Oh, last time in my video, I do not mention about. I mentioned a little bit in this my YouTube video about the Star Bethlehem. Okay. Star of the Bethlehem or Bethlehem Star. The one happened in 2015. This is the warning for 7 years warning from God, because 7 is God's perfection number. 7 is God's judgment number. If you pay attention, all this number 7 all over the Bible, including the Old Testament, especially in the book of Revelation in New Testament. All right, everything about 7 number, and God himself his number is 7, 777. All right, so this 7 years earlier. Now, in 2022, this is in 2015. The Bethlehem stars is conjunction the star Jupiter, or planet of Jupiter and Venus. All right? So I will show you, the conjunction between Venus and Jupiter. This the same stars, the same planets. Conjunction was 2,000 years ago. That show to tell 3 wise men, all right, that the new king was born. So no other than Jesus Christ himself. In fact, in the Bible, they tell clearly, but a lot of church not this correctly. They think these wise men, the 3 wise men, came to Jesus Christ and he was born. In the reality, Jesus Christ, all right, was born just maybe several months before that happened, before these 3 wise men saw him. They followed several months. These 3 wise men saw him and he was already toddler, already almost 2 years old. These stars, okay, the Bethlehem star, or the star of the Bethlehem, the sign from in the sky from God, to show these 3 wise men to follow the stars to see Jesus Christ. So the stars appear again. Okay, the last time on June 30th, 2015. All right, that's 7 years, almost 7 years ago, because June 30th, several days later from now. Won't be long. I think today, June 25th. So 5 more days. All right. So what's all about? I mentioned this one again. The Star of Bethlehem. This is connection with many Christmas rapture dreams and vision, because this is the Star Bethlehem. Star Bethlehem, the Star of the Bethlehem. Is about the Jesus Christ. In this world for his first coming. Just right around that Christmas time. Christmas is his conception. When he get conceived, in his mother's womb, his early mother's womb, in Mary's womb. He's just first time he's appeared. That's why God not allow this abortion, because according to the Bible, all right, the according to the Bible, the first life, okay, when this infant fetus, fetus just conceived in the mother's womb, that's the life, not after birth. That's why abortion not right. It's not right according to the Bible, because the same killing the human being. All right. So That's why Jesus was conceived. This is his birth. Not after birth. This is his appear for his first second coming to the earth as a human being. Alright? So that's why his conception is very important during Hanukkah festival or same time with Christmas season. That's why this time frame is about the rapture, higher rapture alert. Like it says in many end times dreams and vision about this rapture, Christmas rapture dreams and vision. The time frame, the season. Alright? So you have connection with that and the Bethlehem star. Have connection with, related together with this rapture, Christmas dreams and vision. Christmas and Hanukkah rapture, dreams and vision. That with connection with this Bethlehem star, 7 years ago, almost 7 years ago, on June 30th, 2015. See, now in the year 2022, I'm not telling you the rapture will happen this month on June 30th. No. It will happen, I know. God already sent his message in the dreams and vision to many people, to many Christians. That rapture event will take place during Christmas and Hanukkah festival.